Most freshwater pet fish require an aquarium heater because they're used to tropical temperatures, but did you know there's a whole class of coldwater fish that are perfectly fine at room temperature? Goldfish are the most well-known coldwater fish in the aquarium hobby, so in this video, we're going to cover 10 more cool species that can live without a heater. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for supporting me. We have a special place in our hearts for livebearers because of how readily they make baby fish, but over the years, the sunset variatus platy has become one of our favorites. They combine all the things you would want in a perfect fish. They can live in a broad range of temperatures, with or without a heater, and they tend to prefer pH levels above 7.0. This nanofish is quite popular in the aquascaping world because its golden spots and red-orange fins make it look like a tiny brook trout. It can tolerate pH of 6.8 to 8.0, moderate water hardness, and of course cooler waters. Also known as the galaxy rasbora, it has the reputation of being a little shy. However, given the right environment, you can often find the males circling each other in a dance-off competition. Rainbow shiner is definitely used to cooler waters and is known for its brilliant purple and pink spangling, especially during mating season. These torpedo-shaped fish grow to 3 to 3.5 inches long and can be kept with other peaceful fish that enjoy similar water parameters. You should keep them in a school of 6 or more. Need an algae eater for your unheated tank? Look no further. The hillstream loach not only does an amazing job of munching on brown diatoms and green algae, but it also looks fairly unusual, like a miniature alien stingray sucking on the side of your glass. There are several types of similar loaches, such as the butterfly loach and Chinese hillstream loach, and most of them tend to enjoy cooler waters and pH from about 6.6 to 7.8. Endler's livebearer is like a smaller version of its famous cousin, the guppy, because it also has been bred to display many unique colors and fin shapes. However, if you get the original, wild-type Endler's livebearer, they are very hardy and can live at room temperature with a wide range of pH from 6.5 to 8.5. Plus, they're quite peaceful and mix well with many of the fish on this list. This killifish is another coldwater nanofish that can be kept in a community tank with other small species. They have striking blue eyes, their bodies are marked with wide vertical bands, and the males possess a tail that looks like a rocket flame. Like many killifish, they tend to swim at the top of the tank, so make sure your aquarium has a tight-fitting lid to prevent them from jumping out. Koi, goldfish, and pond loaches are commonly considered to be cold water fish because of their ability to survive at very low temperatures. The goldfish is a freshwater fish in the family Cyprinidae of order Cypriniformes. It is commonly kept as a pet in indoor aquariums, and is one of the most popular aquarium fish. Looking for something a little bigger? Consider the dojo loach. This hot dog-sized fish can reach 10 to 12 inches long and therefore should not be kept with smaller species on this list. Dojo loaches display many fun behaviors, such as scavenging for food with their whisker-covered mouths or burrowing into the gravel. They're fairly cheap for their size and make a great addition to any larger-sized, coldwater aquarium. Many barbs are great in cooler waters but often have the reputation for being fin nippers, so keep them in groups of 6 or more to minimize their aggression. The rosy barb comes in many varieties, such as normal, neon, and long fin types. They are very quick swimmers but relatively peaceful, so you can keep them with other similarly sized community fish. White cloud mountain minnow is often sold as a feeder fish at pet stores, but they make great beginner pets because of their resilient ability to survive in almost any tank size and temperature. Sometimes known as the poor man's neon tetras because of their inexpensive price, nowadays these minnows come in many strains, such as albino, golden, and long-finned.